Rahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is this is my sixth video of factorization of quadratic expression exercise 3b question number 2. In this video I will be completing question number 2. Here the coefficient of the square term is other than 1. Let's move to the question. First multiply constant with the coefficient of square term. 12 multiplied by 6 gives me 72. Now I have to make the prime factors of 72 quickly. 2 36s, 2 18s, 2 9s, and then 3 3s and 3 1s. I have to write all factors in one line. 2 2 2 2 3 3 and 1. Now what I have to do is I have to make two numbers out of these all factors in such a way that when I'm adding or subtracting, I'm getting minus 17 and when I'm multiplying, I'm getting 72. Now the thinking process starts. What to do now? If I'm taking these three numbers together and these three 2's together, I'm getting 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Now 8 multiplied by 9 can give me 72. 8 multiplied by 9 can give me 72, but I need minus 17 as well. So I have to think about the sign of 8 and 9 as well. Sign of 8 and 9 both has to be negative. Why? Because when I'm adding minus 8 with minus 9, my answer comes minus 17, and when I'm multiplying these two numbers, I'm getting positive 72. So I hope this is the suitable choice. Let's move to the question. I will write my first term as it is, 6q square, and then I have to break up my middle term in two parts with minus 8q and minus 9q and plus 12 as it is. Now my question has divided in 4 terms, and what I have to do is I have to make the groups of 2 terms. I have to make the groups of 2 terms and I have to extract common factor from each group. If I'm looking at the first group, I can see that I have 2 common from the numbers because 2 3 times is 6 and 2 4 times is 8. So from the numbers I'll write 2 outside, and if I'm looking at variables I can see q as well is common, so 2q outside. Then I have to mark the bracket. From 6q square 2q is out. Now I have to think that 2 how many times will give me 6, 3, and one of the q is out, so I have to write one more q over here. And coming to the second part, this minus sign will come as it is, minus, and then talking about the numbers, I can see the q is already out. 2 how many times is 8, that is 4, so I will write 4 at the place of 8, and I have to close the bracket. Coming to the second group, I have to see, this is the important step, that what should I take common. If I'm looking at 9q here q has the negative sign, but if we look at the previous group, we can see that q has the positive sign. To make the term similar to this, it is important that I have to take minus 3 outside, and inside the bracket I will left with 3q, and this is positive sign. I have to think that what sign I have to write over here to get positive sign back. We know that when we are multiplying minus sign with minus sign, the product gives us the positive sign. So here I have to mark negative sign, and then I have to write 4 at this place. Now again you can see that this group is common, this group is common. I have to extract the common group out. 3q minus 4 and 2q minus 3. I hope you have understood the question. Let's move to the next question. The next question says 18q square minus 18w square minus w minus 39. The first step is same, that I will be multiplying the constant with the coefficient of term having power 2. 18 multiplied by 39 I know this product is 702. You can check it from calculator as well. 702. I need 702 with negative sign. Let's make the prime factors quickly. The last number is 2, so the suitable divisor will be 2. 2 how many times? 702. 2 3s are. Let's divide it with calculator. 702 divided by 2. This will be giving me 351. 351. Okay, now which one will be the suitable divisor? Okay, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. As the sum of the digits is 9, so the number can be easily divided by 3. Now, 3 how many times is 351 divided by 3? This will give me 117. Again, I add up the digits. This is 9, so it's easily divisible by 3 divided by 3. I will get 39. Now the number have become small, 39. 3 how many times? 39. 3 13s are and 13 ones are. Good job. I have turned my number in form of the factors. Quickly write down all of the factors. 2 3 3 2 3 3 3 and 13. Now you know that from these all factors we just have to make two numbers which when adding or subtracting can give me the middle term, which is -1, and which when multiplying can give me -702. Now think about the numbers, what pairs we can make. This -1 shows that there must be some two consecutive numbers. So if I'm taking these threes together, 27 and 2 with 13, I can have 26. Now when I'm multiplying 26 by 27, 26 multiplied by 27, answer is 702. Yes, answer is 702, but I need -702. So for that purpose, and the second thing that I need -1 over here, for that I have to choose 27 with negative sign and 26 with positive sign. Yes, this will give me -1, and when on multiplying 27 multiplied by 26, this will give me -702. Yes, this is a suitable choice. Coming to the question, I have to write my first term as it is, that is 18w square. 18w square minus 27w plus 26w minus 39. Now my expression has divided in 4 terms. I have to make the groups of 2 terms, keeping in mind some number or some letter common in each group. If we look at the first group, if we look at the coefficients, 18 and 27 both can come in table of 9. So I can extract 9 out. I can pull out 9 here, and from the variables I can have w as a common factor. Then I have to close the bracket, 2w, and from 27 9 is out. So 9 how many times? 27 minus 3. Coming to the second part, I can see 26 and 39 both can come in the table of 13. So I have to extract 13 here. And from the first part, I will left with 2w minus 3. Sorry. Okay. Now you can see that this group is common. I have to extract the common group out. 2w minus 3 and 9w plus 13. I hope through these 2 videos you will be understanding question number 2 completely. For more difficulties, please catch me in the next video. Do not forget to watch, like and share my videos and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of every next video in time, and give me a thumbs up for my motivation. Thank you very much.